everyone, it is time for a new video, and today I'm showing you how we made the holes in the side of the van, how we closed the walls with the ribs, the insulation, the plywood, how we placed the headliner, and how we made the ribs for the ceiling. We make blocks with every video, so if something goes too quickly in the video, please click down in the description and find all the information in the blog. So we have been walking around the van with these connections for the water, electricity, the shower van. In December we made already this connection so we can adjust it on here. And now we're gonna make the holes for it. So this is gonna be the water, electricity. We have a 120-liter tank that will be positioned there. But it's quite scary to make the holes in the van, because if you do it wrong, it's wrong. It is time for the next step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this 10mm planks against the wall over the whole length of the van, both sides. And yeah, that's actually the plan. On every 30 centimeters we're gonna have one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's it. So let's go. Hi everyone, the wooden ribs are done. So, oh my god, an airplane. Oh no, it's not an airplane. It's the army. Okay, so the wooden ribs are done. I put them on both walls. I left the doors clean, both of them. The sliding door is gonna stay like this for the longest, but the back doors we are gonna do as soon as he put the locks on. I want to leave the window frame for Jacques, so if he comes after the corona crisis, he can fix this door nicely. What I'm gonna do now is gonna take this wool, put it behind the ribs, so everything is nicely insulated. And once that is done, we can put the wood on and start on the electricity plan. So let's start making this van into a sheep. No clue what's wrong with the camera, but welcome to the wood for the roof. So if you think I'm having some disco lights in my barn, it's not the light, it's the GoPro that is making wavy colors. I have no clue what it is. But this is the frames of the woodwork for the roof. So I need to make 9, I think, of these ones. I already cut out a few, but as you can see, not completely. So I'm gonna do that now. It's yeah, it's a bit of a boring job. But it needs to be done, and it's really important because the roof is gonna hang on this, and yeah, if I want to go to the next step, I need to fix this. So let's go to work.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Working really hard on the headliner, and what I have been doing now is like I made a really rough top board, and then I started on the brackets. So I needed to bend them a little bit, because if you have them 90 degrees they are not straight, so then everything that will lay on your top, on your headline, will slide backwards or forwards, I don't know exactly. But now I bent them a little bit and they are straight. So then at the front they are on the correct height, but the ones on the back are too high, so I made another hole. They are too thick to do it directly with self-screwing screws, so yeah, that's not working. I tried it. And I used the machine to make the holes in it. So that's what I did now, and now they're all leveled. I double checked it with this thing, so as you can see, ta-da! Okay, almost perfect. So that's quite awesome. It should be strong, so if you want to put something heavy in here, you can. I think we're probably only gonna put blankets and stuff like that, but just to be sure, I want it to be thick wood. But I will see. I'm gonna check what we still have, and that's what I'm going to use, because it also needs to fit. I can only make this out of one piece. I cannot use 2 pieces because this is the only support it has from both sides. It will also still have support on the top board, but I don't want to count on that. So I want to make one solid piece of wood that I'm going to lay on top of it. I'm just so happy that I got this one's all leveled out. That's a lot of work. And also this top board, you see I didn't finish it yet because I first want to have the wood so I can line it out better, but this is also difficult. So what I did is I used carton to cut out the frame that I'm gonna need to cut out exactly what the corners are and stuff like that, because as you can see this is not straight, this is round, plus it has like bumps and stuff. The same is here, look at this huge bump. So I'm slowly turning into a woodworker one day. So let's keep going. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything of our van build and van life, or watch one of the videos that pop up around me and enjoy. Bye.